Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Google Classroom. So currently, my name on Google Classroom is Will Smith, okay? So I can show you right here. This is me, I'm currently a teacher here. And if you want to change your name, all you need to do is come click on your profile icon here at the top right. And then I want you to click on manage your Google account. Okay, now I want you to click on personal info. Remember, to change your name on Google Classroom, you also have to change it in your Google account as well. Okay, so now click here on name, Will Smith. Now click here on a name again. All right, and then I can just edit the name. So let's say I want it to be William Smith. Then you come here and just click on save. So there we go. I've saved my name change. Now if I come back here and refresh, okay? And here we go. Should show up as a William Smith. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.